In this video I'm going to show you how to do a cool special effect using free software. I'm going to show you how to take a 3D image and animate it and composite it into your video footage. To begin, I got a project folder on my desktop, and in it I have my video footage, which you can see here. This is just the raw video footage. It does have the audio attached, even though you can't hear it here, but it doesn't have any other special effects. And then I also have a 3D file, a 3DS file of a coin, and if you want your own 3D models, you can find them for free at this website. And these were all created using the 3ds Max 3D rendering program. And then if you don't have it already, you also want to download Format Factory at formatoz.com, because in order to use this footage, we're going to have to convert it to AVI and convert its audio to WAV. To do that, just click on the audio heading, select WAV, and drag your footage into it. And then just click Start, and it should convert both of them. Now you want to open up Wax 2.0. If you don't have Wax, you can download it from here. I've covered this in many of my previous videos. Then right click on the Media Bins folder and select Add Media Files. And you want to drag two instances of your video footage onto the timeline, and then drag your audio footage beneath that. Then click on the Video Plugins option and drag Model Loader onto the first video clip. And then if you toggle it down, it'll let you select your 3DS file. So that's what my coin looks like. And then if you toggle down the Transform 3D option and drag your footage to where you want the 3D object to start, you can then adjust the X, Y, and Z positions to get it into the right position. Now you can also drag and drop a light 3D option if you want to adjust the light as well, but that's up to you. And then you want to click on the stopwatch on the X, Y, Z positions and change them to linear, and then do the same thing for the scale X and scale Y and the angle X. The angle X allows you to flip the coin. And what this does is this allows us to add keyframes to our footage so that we can animate it. So just drag and drop where you want the footage to start and put it in the right position. As far as all these different scaling X and scaling Y's and position X, Y, and Z. The scale X and scale Y allows you to make it disappear. So you can scale it all the way down to 0 to make it disappear so that you can't see it in the front of the footage. So now I've just dragged the timeline to the end of the footage, and I'm putting it where I want at the end of the footage. So that's what it looks like animated. I just drug the angle X all the way up as far as it could go so that it makes the coin rotate. And now I'm just tweaking it a little bit, making sure the animation is all lined up with the footage to make it as real looking as possible. So now when you're through, you can just toggle everything back up and go up to Project Settings and change the frame width and height to match your footage, and also change the frame rate to match your footage. Most household video cameras have a frame rate of 30. And then you can select your video codec and click OK. And then just go to Project and Render, and it will begin rendering your video footage. And it should render it to where you saved your file. So this is the before and after footage, so that you can see a comparison of what it looks like without the 3D image and with the 3D image. Alright, well that's it for this tutorial. For more, go to Tinkernut.com.